Hi everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to review the Dr. Rachel Gold Kit. So this is the second time I'm going to review it on my channel. Before when I review it, I don't have my scarf on, so that's why I keep saying it in almost all the videos that I'm re-uploaded it. So that's why I'm going to re-review it for you on my channel. So yeah, this is how the packaging looks. But before we get started, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, link in the description box. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, press bell icon so that you guys can be notified whenever I do upload new videos. So it says that it's paraben and sulfate free, dermatologically tested, and suits all skin type. And it's 100% natural extracts with SPF 15. So let's see how the inside looks. So okay, that's the inside. As you can see, it has 6 tubes, and on each tubes it has step. Okay, it mentioned the step. This is step 6, step 5, step 4, 3, 2, and 1. So yeah, and as you can see, the packaging also has gold. The cup is gold and the tube is white. It has gold text on it. So started with step 1 first, and make sure your skin is fully clean as well. You don't have anything on, so because you're going to test it out. So this is step 1 is cleanser. Obviously you always need to start up with your cleanser, but if you are going for a special occasion, I would highly recommend you to double cleanse your skin. So let's read at the back that says that cleanser acts toward eliminating dust, dirt, grime on the face and other exposed region of skin. It can help to stimulate cells and all. So it's glycerin, glabara, percil, shea butter and all. So it's kind of hard to explain. It's kind of hard to pronounce the other ingredients. So at the end, I will give you my honest review, and this is the texture of it. As you can see, it's kind of like a cream color, and it's quite liquidy as well. So I'm just going to apply it and then massage my skin. So obviously you need to add just a little bit of water to help the blending process, to help the massaging process. I'm just going to add a little bit of water and then massage it and rest off my skin, and I'll show you how my skin looks. Okay, I just add a little bit of water. As you can see, it does not have that creamy foam. It's typically like you're applying a cream and smell like a cream as well. So I'm just massaging my skin. Even despite after adding the water, it doesn't give that foam finish, you know, like no cleanser normally do. So I'll just go and rest off my skin and then move to step 2. So okay, I'll just being honest, after using the first step, the cleanse, obviously my skin looks clean. I'll be honest, yes, my skin looks clean. So now moving to the second step, obviously you need to, second step always is in scrub. Scrub contain walnut shell powder, glycerin again, vinifera, grapefruit extract, mica, gold particle and all. So you need to apply generous amount to tap skin, scrub well to entire face in circular motion. So let's do it. And for the scrub also, it has this cream texture, this cream color, so you can feel it's not smooth. Okay, whilst massaging your skin, you can feel that you're massaging and scrub on your skin like scrub normally is. It's kind of granulated, or I don't know the exact name of it. So it has the same smell like the cleanser has. And make sure you massage your skin really well. Apply it even on your lips. But while massaging it, you can feel that it has that not cream, but it do has the smell of a cream normally have. And yeah, so keep massaging your skin. Normally when you apply scrub, make sure you scrub here, here, around here, and your lips, which is really important. So yeah, I'll just go and rest off my skin and then show you how it works. So okay, the third step is to apply a facial gel on your skin. So this is how the facial gel looks. It has that gold particle. The facial gel, I need to check if I need to wash it up. So for the facial gel, I don't need to wash it up, but it needs to absorb on my skin. So that means that you need to keep massaging your skin till it absorbs completely. So now moving to the fourth step. Fourth step is to apply a cream. So the cream also is cream texture, cream color. So this one obviously a cream, looks like a cream. And now moving to the fifth step. Fifth step is a pack. So obviously for the pack, allow it to dry fully by washing it with water. So that means I need to let it dry completely. This one also has glycerin. Almost all of the, not almost, but all of them, all of these tubes has glycerin. So then I'm gonna massage my skin. As you can see, my skin has absorbed it. Like a mouse should stay on your skin, but this one, my skin absorbed it, as you can see. So yeah, my skin has absorbed this mask. Maybe I need to apply more. No, I don't think so. Otherwise, it might look heavy if I apply more. No, keep absorbing it. So it's just like you're applying a cream on your face and it's absorbed on your skin. So you need to let it dry. I don't think it's gonna take hours to dry or minutes to dry. Just take a few seconds to dry, and then I'll just go and rest off my skin using normal water. Any type of products, natural ingredients, or any type of products that you use on your skin where you need to wash it off, make sure you always use normal water. Lukewarm water or hot water, it will definitely open up your pores. So yeah, I'll just wait when it's dry, and then I'll just go and rest off my skin and show you how it looks, and then we move forward to the last one. So okay, this is how my skin looks. My skin looks clean. I'm just being honest. Yes, it looks clean, but major difference no. And the last step is moisturizer. I don't want to apply huge amount. So the moisturizer is white. It doesn't have that cream the cream color. Why I don't know why I keep saying cream texture all the time. So okay, overall I'll just give you my honest review. Third time I use this mask. So this kit, there is a difference, but not a major one. And sometimes I do find that I don't know, there's some black pores on my skin when I use it. I got that, but when I stop after a few days, it goes away. So I don't know this time if I'm gonna get it or not. And if you have an acne prone skin and oily to combination skin, I highly not recommended to use it. Despite say that it's suit all skin type, why I don't recommend you to use it, because it has shea butter. Shea butter will gonna clog your pores and you get more acne. So and glycerin doesn't work for all skin types, especially for acne prone skin. Glycerin doesn't work for me, but I don't remember if I got acne. Yes, I do got acne when I use it. Yeah, so that's why I highly not recommend to use it. It doesn't mention that it has alcohol, but when you smell it, you can feel that it definitely has alcohol. So, and all of the products that I use have the same smell, which is kind of strange. And yeah, so that's my honest review. So I don't recommend to use it, guys. I'm just being honest. So if you have acne prone or the combination skin, make sure you stay away from it. And yeah, it says that has natural extracts. It doesn't mention anywhere on the tubes which natural extracts they have used. So yeah, basically that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed these reviews and give this video a big thumbs up. And thank you for those who have subscribed, and bye. We'll see you on the next.